Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to bring this fall daytime look for you. Fall is my favorite season. The outfits are super cute, the weather is nice and crisp, and of course the gorgeous glowing bold makeup. So stay tuned if you would like to learn how to complete this on yourself. To start off, I'm going to moisturize my skin using my Clinique Moisture Surge Intense Moisturizer. This feels like a glass of water is being splashed onto my skin. No matter your skin type, you want to always moisturize to ensure that you don't get any dry patches. So I have been breaking out ever since I tried out a new foundation, and that was the Rare Beauty foundation. So I'm going to go in with my acne prone oil control primer so that I can set my skin up for success, because we are having some trouble here, guys. Then I'm going to go in with my foundation, and this is the L'Oreal True Match foundation in W7. I did also mix a bit of W8 since I'm in between color right now. I wanted to make sure it was nice and blended around the edges. Then I'm going to go in with my Master Eye Prep from Makeup by Mario, and this is my absolute new favorite product. Guys, it blends out so amazing, and it really does cover up. As you can see, it's just covering up my acne so easily, and it doesn't move. It stays right in place all day. To prep my eyes for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with my Paint Pot from MAC Cosmetics, and this one is Soft Ochre. I do like to bounce between this one and Eden from Urban Decay because they do allow my eyeshadows to perform to their best abilities. Now I'm just going to frame my eyes by filling in my brows because we needed that. And this is my Benefit Goof Proof pencil in shade number 4. It is the perfect texture. It does not leave your brows shiny, and your brows do stay in place all day. I really recommend this one. Now that our face is done, it's time to go in with our eyeshadows, and I'm going to pick up Rule. I really love this eyeshadow palette from MAC Cosmetics because it has a bunch of original shades that you probably already have as individuals in your kit. So I didn't want to use something you guys would have to go out and buy something new. So I'm using Rule for my crease and a blending brush from Morphe, I believe. I will definitely link it down below because it is one of my favorites. And then I'm going to go in with Dollywood and Embark, and I just mixed the two on a pencil brush or a smaller blending brush for my outer corner. And as you can see, I first applied by tapping that color onto my outer corners, and now with a bigger fluffier brush, I'm doing tiny little circles to help blend those two eyeshadows into my crease so that it blends with the first transition color that I applied, which was Rule. And by applying the color, tapping it onto my outer corners, I was allowed to get the most intensity, which is what you want when you're creating a bold outer corner. Now I'm going in with this gorgeous metallic coppery shade from Makeup by Mario, and I'm just using it with a 249 brush, I believe, from MAC Cosmetics to first apply a nice base for this shimmery highlight in citrine. And I'm tapping that on with my fingers because I didn't want any of the glitters to fall out onto my face. But I can say that this eyeshadow had minimal fallout. Well, it's actually a highlighter. So yeah. With a pencil brush, I'm going in with Embark and Dollywood all over again, but this time on my lower lash line, and a lot more intense than I did on my actual crease because I really enjoy a smoky lower lash line. Once again, it's another one of my signature things. If you guys have been following me, you know that my lower lash line always looks really slept in. I really love just a grungy, smoky lower lash line. I'm using this mascara from L'Oreal, and I'm not going to apply any falsies. You can definitely apply falsies if you want. However, I felt super confident with the way this mascara made my eyelashes look. They look bold, they look full, they look long, so I decided to skip the falsies, especially since this is a daytime look. Now I'm just finishing off my face. I first applied my Fenty Beauty bronzer, and then I'm going to go in with another original favorite of mine, and that's the Laura Geller Gelato Swirl Highlighter in Gilded Honey. It is the most gorgeous golden color for My complexion, I hate when I apply a highlighter and it looks really, really white on my skin. So this one just looks gorgeous and it melts right into my complexion. I love it. To finish off this look, I'm going in with my Melted Matte in Pumpkin Spice by Too Faced, and then I'm just blending it out in the corners. And that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you so much for even clicking on this video. And remember to stay healthy, stay safe, and stay beautiful. Thank you so much again, guys. Bye.